Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 11th of May 2022. Taking a look here at Polkadot. Polkadot, of course, like the rest of the cryptocurrency market, has had some massive sell-offs, massive drawdowns, massive nosedive south. From its from its all-time high, which was up at 56. It is now down. It made a new 2022 low, new swing low. It is now down 85.93%. It's kind of just got halted around that $8 level. Time and price perspective, yeah, this is over 196 days. So this is a big deal. And this is, I didn't mention this in the Luna, but the 180-day cycle for cryptocurrencies is happening right now. So in GAN analysis, the 180-day cycle is the most powerful after the 90-day, and it can extend from 180 to 196 or 198 days. So it can extend out, and we're within that range. And something that GAN wrote about that date range, or that it's called the cycle of an inner year. What he wrote about that cycle is that it's important to watch because trend changes often occur, and they often occur swiftly. What we're seeing happen here with this big drop in cryptos is kind of similar to, but what we saw in 2018-ish, although in a much faster move. We're seeing a very strong dive south, and it's hitting into these ranges that we've seen before. We're seeing the percentage moves from the all-time highs getting into that 80 to 90% range, and that's roughly where altcoins kind of head to before they start popping back up again. So there's a lot of reasons to be very bullish around here, and I've been bullish around here for several weeks, even though it's been up here and it's fallen down. The downside activity here is likely to terminate very soon, and I think a lot of these price levels are very attractive, especially for something like Polkadot that has such a high return on it. If you stake it, you think it's around 12% per annum, somewhere around there, depending on where you stake it. But the volume, you'll notice on the daily chart, has been increasing steadily over the last 2 weeks, and that's really just kind of a technical analysis 101. It comes out of your baby's first book in technical analysis, that volume precedes price, meaning, if volume is going up but prices are going down, eventually, not eventually, but relatively soon, you're going to see a reversal in that price action. And today's candlestick for Polkadot, even though it's down 14.8%, I mean, look at how far down it was it opened the day at 1134, and it lost roughly 30% of its value. Okay, and it's rallied well above that. So there's a ton of volume that has stepped in. There's been a lot of liquidity to grab, a lot of fear. You can smell blood in the water, which from an investing perspective, that's exactly the kind of conditions you want to be in to get things at the best price. There's just a lot of reasons to be very happy with the huge discounts that are here. So Polkadot, I like it where it's at. Anywhere below $10, I think, is a steal. And the first target I would look at it before it faces some selling pressure would definitely be that $18 range. That's where the 2022 volume point of control is at. That's where a lot of the majority of the trading has gone on. And this is trading at where it was back in January of 2021. So we're sitting in some pretty good zones here, and Polkadot has clear growth ahead of it and a good value. It's a good ecosystem, good blockchain, and one of the leaders in the DeFi space. So I'm pretty excited about where it's going to go from here. But other than that, I will update it as needed. From all of us here at I cannot talk. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.